And now we were going to hear a little piece which we all did in the coffee pot yesterday. So here goes. Hi, this is the Wild Show coming from the coffee pot.
And our task today is to compare this with the result we got in Gulliver's when we used a video camera. So I'm going to pass this over to JD, who's going to say hello.
Hello, listeners. Welcome to the show.
Over the next few months, this week we will get to Tech Exeter, which is at the business school on the university campus. And then later on, We Are Like Minds is coming to Exeter. They know about social media. And then there's the Lost Weekend, which is a bit of everything, I think. There's going to be a bit of TEDx Exeter in the middle of it, and a lot of music. And if anybody knows anything about this and can come on into the actual studio, it could be even better sound quality. I don't know, what do you think, Chris? The Phonics Studio, would you recommend it?
Yeah, the Phonics Studio's very good. It's got great equipment and it sounds better than your video camera in Gulliver. But this should be a bit better than your video camera, but not as good as the studio. So please enjoy the rest of the World Show, and I'm getting a funny stare from the manager of the coffee pot, so I better stop. Okay, bye. Enjoy the show.